Dear students, I hope you all are doing great and are healthy as well. So, in this small interaction, I wanted to stress upon how to read important articles which are there in the newspaper. For example, in today's newspaper, that is 24th January 2026, you'll find an article in Indian Express which is related to AMR, antimicrobial resistance in India. The opening paragraph itself is suggesting that the Prime Minister, Home Minister, and Health Minister has spoken about it in public. So this gives you an idea that this is something which is very important. And if it is very important, of course, you can find a question in mains related to AMR. How to deal with it? What is the incidence of AMR in India? Why we are not able to address or tackle this situation so far? So with this approach, you have to read this article. They are providing you some data as well related to AMR related death in 2021, 2.67 lakh, which is given by some institute, Washington University based institute. Then related to 83% of Indians carrying resistant bacteria. So such data can be very handy for you to start your mains answer, which will give a very good impression to the examiner. Then further, they are elaborating upon the extent of AMR in India. That is two types of AMR, hospital acquired, community acquired, and how this is related to our behavioral patterns. They are beautifully highlighting this, that this is purely based on our behavior. That is, even for a small cough and cold or diarrhea, we are using antibiotics. So this wholesale consumption of antibiotic is leading to the problem of AMR. And there have been some efforts, some state governments like Kerala have tried to address this problem. In 2015, they started some antimicrobial stewardship program, but this has achieved limited success itself. Why? Because it took 10 years for them to ban the OTC sale of over-the-counter sale of AMR. So such information, some examples, some programs, some initiatives, whether successful or not, this can serve you handy for your mains answer. Then how it is difficult, how it becomes difficult because of AMR to treat routine infection, because now you need to have more and more new antibiotics, higher doses of antibiotics to treat them. But in the last decade, hardly any new class of antibiotic has been made. So this is how you have to read, and further also relating it with livestock and agricultural practices. So this study, which has been conducted in Delhi and Vellore by ICMR, it points out that no, this is the commonly thought idea that this is because of agricultural practices and livestock consumption of antibiotics. So they are refuting this as well. And then the challenges in data collection. So ICMR has a small network of 25 tertiary hospitals as well, whereas in Japan it is 2000 hospitals. So this gives you some unique ideas as well. In suggestion part, you can use this. Then related to alternative therapies like phage therapy, which is still going on, the research are going on, but this can be a promising idea. So in this way, you have to pick up the things from an article in the newspaper, so which can serve you about the situation, gravity of the situation, some crucial data, some solution, some examples, all these you have to pick up. So in this way, this information will help you in your enrichment of your mains answer, and then you will be able to score good. I hope this information will help you to redefine your approach to read the newspapers. All the best.